was the second annual Battle of the Bands for Cas di Cultura. It's been planned for a little while, and I think everything worked out really well. We had to switch venues, and I think it really showed that the kids of Aruba are really all right. There's so much talent, so much creativity, and I hope this goes on annually. So this year we had 5 bands competing for the title. I believe the ages were between 14 and 23 this year. So yeah, it's a nice little varied age group, so it's been nice. So there were 5 bands this year, and in second place was the Medicis, and they're kind of like an indie alternative shoegaze band. Incredible band. Check them out, the Medicis. They're starting to play a few shows around the island. And the first place winners are the 1986, and they're celebrating behind me, which is really great. They competed last year, and it's really nice to see them come back and really just go hard this year, and they won and they deserved it. I think that speaks to what's going on with the youth here in Aruba right now. I mean, because there really is no stipulation on what can be submitted or what can't be submitted. It can be salsa, it can be reggaeton, it can be indie alternative, it can really be anything. So, I mean, it just happened that this year we had a really great rock and roll showcase. It was great. I want to thank everybody that came out here tonight, came to the show. It was a sold out show, which is incredibly important. It speaks volumes to what people want here. So I'm excited what will come from this Battle of the Bands, and hopefully see it grow. I want to thank Cas di Cultura for asking me to host and MC. It was a lot of fun. I host open mic nights, but this was really exciting for me to host. There was a lot of trust placed in me, and I hope that I did the job justice tonight. I really think they should put out an LP, a 3 or 4 song LP with a B-side. They should definitely do it. Get in the studio and put that album out, or that LP out. You know, it's something that should happen, and I think that these discussions will happen more and more, because there is a scene, there is a subculture. It is happening in Aruba. Get out there, go to the shows, have some fun.